Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone 2018 or iPhone 9. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar, you are watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. Apple will be launching 3 new iPhones this September, but one of them might be a cheaper variant. It will probably be called the iPhone 9 and the price will be nearer to the price of the iPhone 8 rather than that of the iPhone 10. Last year there was a lot of difference between the three offerings. We had the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 8 Plus. In addition, Apple also has plans for the iPhone SE follow-up in 2018 as it has not had any major update after being released in 2014. It is rumored that Apple will be launching one of the phones as a successor to the iPhone 10 of last year. This will be the flagship phone with OLED display and a large 6.5 inches of screen, dubbed as the iPhone XS Plus with a dual rear camera and supporting wireless charging. The second one will be a smaller screen, also OLED 5.8 inches, dubbed as the iPhone XS and sporting a dual rear camera. However, it is a third variant with an LCD display of 6.1 inches that is being dubbed as the iPhone 9, and it will have a single camera at the back. All three iPhones will come with glass backs according to leaked images. The premier 6.5 inches OLED iPhone 2018, dubbed the iPhone XS Plus or XL Plus, will look like the supersized version of the present iPhone 10. The 6.1 inches LCD phone, dubbed the iPhone 9, will come with a single lens camera and thicker bezels. The bezels of the iPhone 9 must be thicker as Apple cannot use the technology used to OLED panels in case of an LCD panel. According to some rumors, the 6.1 inches iPhone 9 will come in aluminum body and not in glass. It will also not have the 3D touch feature. Those looking for a cheaper, affordable option might find it feasible to buy the iPhone 9 that will be released in September 2018. The talks are around one supersized iPhone dubbed the iPhone XL or the 11, a cheaper entry-level one dubbed as iPhone 9, and another one dubbed as 11 Plus or 10 Plus. The supersized one will come with a display of 6.5 inches, whereas the other will come with a 5.8 inches display screen. Last year, the iPhone was introduced on the 15th of September and started going on sale from the 22nd of December. If past releases are anything to go by, it is likely that come September, Apple will release all these three iPhone variants for 2018. There are many rumors suggesting that the upcoming affordable variant of this year, let's call it the iPhone 9 for now, will come with a thicker screen surround as compared to the iPhone X1. It is also expected that there will be some new color variants for the iPhone 9. The features of the upcoming iPhone 9 will probably be a mix of the iPhone 8. Along with the iPhone 10, it also stands to reason that Apple will try to offer an iPhone in an affordable range, especially if there is no iPhone SE due this year. The iPhone 9 will then offer a good entry point for Apple. The iPhone 9, which is the entry-level offering for 2018, will come with an LCD screen of 6.1 inches and will have room on the top for the Face ID. According to images, the iPhone 9 has been seen to have a bigger camera sensor and a dual LED flash that has been repositioned. Images also show that the iPhone 9 will come with one rear camera, whereas the iPhone 11 and the Plus models, the more expensive ones, will come with dual camera features similar to the iPhone 10. The iPhone 9 looks very similar to the iPhone 10 but comes with a single lens camera. The specification will also be lower as compared to the other two models. According to Cool, the 6.1 inches LCD model, dubbed as the iPhone 9, will also have a smaller screen resolution of 320 or 330 ppi, whereas the other two models could have a higher screen density of 458 ppi. The RAM of the iPhone 9 could also be smaller at 3 GB, whereas the other two models might come with a higher RAM of 4 GB. Some rumors reveal the dimensions of the iPhone 9 as being 147.12 by 71.52 mm. In addition, it is also rumored that the iPhone 9 will not have the 3D touch feature. All iPhones after the iPhone SE have come with a 3D touch feature. As for the software, all the offerings for 2018 will run on iOS 12 out of the box. It is rumored that the iPhone 9 will come with a metal back. Apple has already switched to the glass back for all its iPhone models last year. It is this switch that makes it possible to charge the phone wirelessly. However, if the iPhone 9 design does come with a metal back and not glass, it means that wireless charging feature will also not be available for the iPhone 9. Moreover, all the iPhone 2018 models will have a display with a notch. The 6.1 inches iPhone 9 will have a full active display, and this is being supplied by the Japan display. The iPhone 9 will have a technology that is akin to the LCD Plus screen seen on LG G7. It will be powered by the A12 chip, as will the other two variants in the lineup for 2018. The iPhone XL and the XL Plus. It is also possible that the entry-level iPhone for 2018 may not be called the iPhone 9. After all, there are rumors that Apple will add an S to the lineup, with the premier offering being named as the iPhone XS Plus and the XS, whereas the entry-level phone will be called the iPhone 8s. It is after all supposed to be the successor to the iPhone 8. It is also rumored that the entry-level iPhone 9 will come with a dual SIM feature and will be available only in China. Foxconn sources report that the 6.1 inches model will be the only one that supports the dual SIM functionality. However, the iPhone 9 will come in two variants. This is because the people of China are used to having more than a single mobile number, and nearly 4 billion people use dual SIM cards. In another rumor, there are claims that Apple will be offering the fast chargers for iPhone 9 as well as the other models of 2018. This means that you can charge the phones quickly. However, it is possible that the fast charger will only be available for the most expensive premium models, the iPhone XL and the XL Plus, and not for the iPhone 9 entry-level 2018 phone. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, if the iPhone 9 comes with a 6.1 inches of screen, it will sell for around $600 to $700. The next variant of 5.8 inches, which is a successor to the iPhone 10, dubbed the iPhone XS or XL, will have a price of around $700 to $800. As for the iPhone XS Plus or XL Plus of 6.5 inches, it will be priced at around $999. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, and bye bye till the next video.